A giraffe half its size asteroid hits the ground off the coast of Iceland. A small asteroid hit the Earth over Iceland last Friday, just 2 hours after it was discovered by an astronomer. The space rock dubbed 2022 EB5 is thought to have burnt up mostly in our planet's atmosphere, but even if it did hit the surface, it would cause almost no damage as it is only 3 meters wide, about the size of a giraffe. Some people in Iceland reported hearing explosions or flashes of light around the time 2022 EB5 moved across the sky between Greenland and Norway at 18.5 km per second. So far, no meteoroid evidence has been found, but the International Meteoroid Organization is looking for witnesses who have seen something. Prior to the impact, which occurred at 21:22 GMT on Friday, March 11, in Iceland's northern atmosphere, the space rock was the fifth asteroid visible before hitting Earth. The first TC3-2008 was an 80-ton, 4.1 meter wide object that exploded over Sudan's Nubian desert in October 2008. About 600 meteoroids were later recovered from the asteroid. The asteroid was last seen just 2 hours before hitting Earth's atmosphere, when it was discovered by Hungarian astronomer Christian Skrnacki at a station that is part of a Konkoly observatory near Budapest. According to Wisman Institute astronomer Dr. David Polishuk, who is also the part of NASA's multiple asteroid diversion mission to try to deflect the massive space rock, was not seen before due to its size. It's small rock. It reflects very little sunlight. It's hard to identify, he said. The attack was non-destructive. It fell into the sea between Norway and Iceland on Friday, orbital simulation expert Tony Don wrote on Twitter. A few hours ago, the newly discovered asteroid 2022 EB5 collided with Earth near Iceland at 18.5 km per second. This asteroid is too small to do any harm. The last major asteroid impact occurred in 2013 when a small object measuring about 19 meters exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia. It hit Earth's atmosphere with an estimated energy of 5 lakh tons of TNT and sent shock waves around the world twice, causing extensive damage and injury to more than 1,600 people. The fireball fell to Earth at a speed of 41,600 miles per hour, and most of it fell into a lake called Chebrakul. Asteroids are considered one of the most dangerous natural disasters the planet can experience, especially since there is currently no way to stop them. An asteroid more than 140 meters wide would release at least 1,000 times the amount of energy released by the first atomic bomb if it hit Earth, according to a study by a Davidson Science Institute, an education division of Israel's Weizmann Institute of Science. Therefore, NASA is on a mission to study the possibility of reversing the asteroid's direction by crashing a spacecraft into it. The DART asteroid double diversion test launched from the Vandenberg Space Force Base in California last November and is expected to hit its target, the tiny planet, the Dimorphos satellite, sometime in late September this year. Most asteroids can usually be identified using the many powerful telescopes that astronomers have. However, some asteroids can sneak towards us thanks to Earth's odd rotation, making it appear as if they are barely moving, making them harder to detect. That's warning from NASA-funded experts who studied how the telescope nearly missed an asteroid 328 feet 43,500 miles from Earth in 2019. Dubbed 2019 OK, the space rock is the first object of this size to come this close to our planet since 1908, but was visible just 24 hours before its closest approach. The reason the team says is because it is moving towards us in such a way that its movement in the night sky is countered by the rotation of Earth. This is how 2019 OK appears to be stationary on early warning systems like Pan-STARRS 1 at the Haleakala Observatory in Hawaii, so it doesn't trigger automatic detection software. In fact, experts say that up to half of asteroids approaching Earth from the danger zone east of the opposition are likely to experience such an apparent slow motion periods. An asteroid is said to be opposite when its position in the night sky places it along a line that crosses the Earth and the Sun. That means half of those asteroids may also be difficult to spot right now, and computational telescopes will need to be updated to account for their effects. But while 2022 EB5 leaves little to no trace on the planet, more and more asteroids are moving toward Earth. Several more will be adopted today, including 2022 DX2, 2022 DR3, 2018 GY, 2022 ES3, and 2022 EO4. They are all very small, between about 31 feet and 232 feet wide, and are not expected to hit the Earth according to NASA's asteroid tracker. However, one of them, ES3 2022, will be close to other and is expected to cover a distance of about 207,000 miles. It's still far away but closer to Earth than it is to the Moon. The space rock is estimated to be between 9.6 and 22 meters wide, roughly the size of asteroid Chelyabinsk at its maximum impact. Thanks.